What's the meaning of byline? Byline. Byline.
Byline. Byline. A byline is a line of text that appears below or beside an article, indicating the name of the writer. It typically includes the author's name, along with some biographical information or the name of the publication. Bylines play an important role in establishing the credibility of an article and are used by readers to identify the author of the piece. They serve as a means of giving credit to the writer and allowing readers to track their work over time. Bylines also help to build the reputation of journalists and writers, making it easier for them to establish a following and gain recognition within their industry.